This video is about the Moto Guzzi California 1400 Diagnostic. How do we read a code on this motorcycle so we know why it's coding and going into limp home mode? First, we need a cable to connect to the motorcycle and then to our laptop computer. I bought this equipment on the internet, shipped in from the UK for around $30. It was 3 years ago or so, and I'm not sure about the current prices. Most of you will not have to disconnect the heated seats from the bike. I installed this myself, and I can also make a video about this if you like, so please post in the comments. You will need to download Guzzi Diag. Mine is version v0.47, but it's probably not the latest version. And I'm also running this on an old Windows 7 laptop. I don't mind going to a Moto Guzzi dealer, but the closest one is about 5 hours away, so I needed some other method to resolve these code issues. The Diag connector will need power, so I just clip the leads to the battery maintainer wire terminals. Find the data port to connect the computer to the motorcycle. It has a yellow rubber seal. You may have to dig around for the first time to find it. Connect the OBD2 connector to the Moto Guzzi adapter. This should come in the kit you buy. Open and run the Guzzi Diag software. Then plug in the USB connector from the adapter into the computer. Turn on the motorcycle, but do not start it. Go to the top left and then click File, then Connect. The setup can do much more than a code read, but we are just going to focus on this for now. Click on Faults, then Read. These are the error codes. Now you know what the problem is. Look these up in the Guzzi forums to tell you how to correct the problems. You can also erase the codes from the computer by clicking Clear. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment if this was helpful.